Ladies and gentlemen, this is a special broadcast revived from the archives. Please do not turn off your TVs. The year is 1997. The Notorious B.I.G. just released his second album, and there are talks of Windows 98 coming in the near future. And a secret agent found in Azure services exposes customers to unauthenticated remote code execution. Vulnerabilities exist in the Open Management Infrastructure agent that allow attackers to execute commands with the highest privileges. When Azure services are developed in Linux virtual machines, the OMI agent is silently installed and runs as root. Customers are not even aware that they're exposed to this attack surface. Some of these services have an exposed HTTPS port, enabling attackers to establish a foothold to then move laterally within the target environment. All an attacker needs to do is remove the authentication header and they have root. When OMI exposes the HTTPS management port externally, complete and total takeover is possible with one single packet. Microsoft has released patches for the vulnerabilities. We strongly encourage you to verify you're running the latest version of OMI, version 1.6.8.1. Ignorance could spell disaster. I'm not certain this broadcast will be seen, but here's to hope, for it's the only thing that we can... Signing off, I'm Dave... Right.